So here we're in my Accord here, and this button here is broken. So every time I put it in gear and I put it all the way in, that happens, and then I gotta look for my button, whatever. So I went down to the junkyard and I got the replacement for it, and I just want to show you guys real quick how simple it is to change. So first things first, I mean, by all means, you can do it with the car on, or see, look, it's all messed up. So by all means, you could do it with the car on. All you got to do is pop out this little thing, put your key in here, and then this is going to release the shift knob, right? Or you can just get your ignition cylinder, put it all the way forward as if you're going to turn it on, but don't turn it on. Just leave it all the way, and then press down on the brake firmly, and it'll be unlocked. So here on this side, there's two Phillips star screws. So we just remove these two, and then I'll show you what's next. So once you have two screws removed, I know it's a little dirty, you guys, I'm about to wash it, but once you take off both of those screws, you literally just push up, and there. And here goes the replacement. So basically all you're gonna do is put this on like that, just push it down, and there. Now I don't have to worry about a button popping out anymore. So thanks for watching. I know it was a really simple video, but sorry, excuse all that, it's just my camera's broken. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you guys have any comments or questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.